And turning to the weather, those strong winds still blowing through parts of the Southland tonight. This is a live look from Rancho Cucamonga. Today's punishing winds caused a lot of damage. In Irvine, this huge tree fell onto the 405 freeway, slamming into two cars. Leanne Keegan was driving north in one of those cars when the 50-foot tree fell on her. Only on KCAL 9, she described what happened.
I saw the wind blowing, and I just couldn't get out of the way fast enough. It was pretty scary. I'm very lucky.
What was going through your mind?
God help me. I'm praying to God that I'd be okay, have kids to take care of, you know.
Crews removed the tree and cleaned things up, and all lanes at the 405 were reopened.
Well, in Tustin, this tree blew down onto Irvine, Irvine Boulevard, that is. It crushed a fence before hitting that road. No one there was injured. And a similar scene on Metropolitan in Anaheim this morning where this tree came down. And with more on the high winds, let's go to Granada Hills.
KCAL 9's Jennifer Kastner is live there where the winds also knocked down trees and caused some damage. Jennifer.
Yeah, Lena, this was the last tree to go down. This happened at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. The tree actually toppled over onto the street, blocking off all of the traffic. You can see it has since been chopped up. Crews will haul the rest of this away tomorrow. This was one of 2 trees in this neighborhood to go down today. The other one just a few blocks away from here. That one actually fell over onto a house. The homeowner was inside, and we spoke with him. Listen to this. Using chainsaws and a loader, crews cleared a massive tree that crashed onto a Granada Hills home, nearly killing this man who lives there.
All of a sudden I heard a major noise. I thought it was probably an earthquake, and then the ceiling came down.
Gideon Karpovsky let us take photos of the damage inside. He said he was standing a few inches away from where the ceiling collapsed in.
Could have been horrible. There are thick pieces of wall, of ceiling on the ground there, all over the room there. A small piece the size of your microphone would have finished me off.
Neighbor Hake Gallion was cutting grass this windy Friday afternoon when this happened in the middle of the street.
I wasn't actually too far from the tree, so as I'm coming back, I turned my back, I just see the tree fall. It was crazy.
Glad no cars were on the street, right?
Yeah, we were just, I just pulled up. I was not parked very far from here.
Just a few weeks ago, on a blustery day, another tree toppled over onto a home in the same area. Karpovsky says he feels lucky to be walking away without even a scratch.
It was very frightening. Nobody else got hurt, nobody else was close other than me, and I'm okay.
And Jeff and Lena, no injuries here tonight, no cars that were damaged, so that's of course very good news. Let's go back to you.